Hey folks, y'all have a backyard where you like to shoot stuff. So if you want to do some plinking around, we've got this nice Dueling tree target. We were given this free for our honest review, and it's kind of nice because I got some sons that like to shoot some 22s, and this is going to be a kind of a fun reactive. So instead of just punching holes in paper, you can actually see what happens. You can hear it. It's a nice little feedback to let you know that you got it. So the first thing you do is you want to put the base in there. Now, pretty simple, it's got some good instructions. I'll show you what I'm talking about. You know, it's not like the stuff in my IKEA where you're like, okay, it comes with all the hardware in here. And you notice anytime you have a heavy box inside of one of these, that's probably got the nuts, bolts, and the targets itself. Okay, folks, so once you get it all set up, all put together, all erected, now the next thing you want to do is head out to the range. We set it at the 75, which is the middle bolt. That's the preferred. You can set it to the 90 degree straight up and down, or you can set it to the 6 degree a little bit more out. What happens is that it shoots it, hits it, and it flips around. One thing you can do is you can put stakes in the ground on either side, and you can put a wooden target. If you don't like the width of this, guess what? You can change it. You can make it so that it's closer in, and you can put a target there, but you can make it all the way out here. I gave it a little bit of stability, so this side is longer than that. If you have windy conditions, what we do is we take this right here with our sledgehammer, drive it in the ground. That ain't going anywhere. Now, the beauty of this thing is, notice the angle of the steel, okay? So if a bullet hits right here, it's going to split, all right? And it's going to protect it. It's going to shear off. It's not going to bounce back to you. Watch this. Okay, when I say it's not going to go anywhere, it's just like the TV commercial, okay? So, got our berm behind us. We're protected no matter what we're shooting. But they come with these generic stickers, and obviously, if you're a good shot, they're going to wear out. Looking forward to using this with my two sons and their friends that come over to shoot. So I hope you guys enjoy it.